Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to dress up your pages and posts at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com and we're going to click login right here. We're already logged in. It takes us to dashboard on the main menu. We'll get rid of this and go full screen. So to work on your website, to dress up your pages and posts, you're going to click on the website button right here. So we're going to be working with these two buttons right here, the pages and posts. There's also page templates, appearances, like theme appearances, settings, but these are the two we'll be working with. And this is our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. We're going to be working with the tips page right here. This is what it currently looks like. We're going to show you how to dress this up. And then on our blog, this first blog post, Feature Hikes, we're going to show you how to dress this up here. So go back to home here, go back to Connect. So we're on the website button. Let's get going here. Let's start with pages. We're going to click on pages right here. And this is our tips page right here. We're going to edit this. We'll click on the edit button. And what we're going to be showing you today on the pages, we're going to be showing you image left and image right. On the post, we're going to show you the two-column template. And the reason being is the formatting's tricky, and that's what we really want to nail down here. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's put this right here, cursor right there. We'll hit enter, bring this up. We're going to start off with doing image left. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down. We're going to move all this to image left. So we just click on the picture, Control X. We're going to delete it. We're going to go in this image, Control V, and paste it right in. And then the same with the words. We're going to just highlight everything right here, Control X. And then we're going to go up here, paste it in, highlight it, paste it in, Control V, and there it is. So we have image left. Now you notice these dashes above and below. This is the tricky part. So you want to get rid of these dashes. And let's go ahead and let's label this page. It doesn't really have a title on it at this point. So let's go bold, 18 point. And we'll use that hunter green. Okay, so there we go. So we have a title, we have getting there, so we have image left, and then this other, these dashes right here, I usually move my cursor to the left, and then we're going to get rid of these right here. Actually, this carried down, that's kind of weird, but we're going to get rid of that right there, and then we're just going to bring this up a little bit. And now we're going to do image right. So we have image left, and now this next one we're going to do image right. So we're going to scroll down to the training. First of all, we're going to click on the picture. We'll highlight the picture, do Control X to remove the picture, and then we're going to paste it in right here, Control V. And then the filler words, we're going to replace those with all of these words. So we're going to do Control X there, and then I'm going to paste them in here, Control V, and I'm going to start going through this pretty quick. So the dashes above and below, we're just going to move them to the left, backspace, backspace, delete. We're just going to try to get this as close as we can, so that looks good. And then down below here, again, we got to get rid of the dash, move it to the left. We'll hit backspace, delete, delete, just bring that up. So we did image left, image right. Now we're going to do image left one more time. Take that picture of the bird eggs, Control X, paste them in here, Control V. Then take the words, all these words here, for the copy, we're going to Control X. And then where the filler words are, we're going to paste them in, Control V, and then here's the dash again. So the dash above and below, we're going to move it to the left, backspace to get rid of it. I'm going to hit the delete button to bring that up, and that looks about as close as I'm going to get it right there. And then this bottom dash right here, you want to make sure you leave some of the regular formatting below this. You're going to get stuck in this formatting here if you don't leave some space below it. So that's really tricky. So we're going to hit backspace, and we're not going to go, well, let's go up one. Okay, we can go up one. and then we're going to go delete, 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 bring that down. This has regular formatting still, and now we have image left, image right, image left on our post. We're going to go ahead and update that. So the post has been dressed up. Now let's go to our page. I'm sorry, our tip page has been dressed up. Now let's go to the post, and we're going to do the featured hikes post. We're going to edit this first post right here that we looked at earlier, and we're going to be doing the 2 columns. So we have featured hikes, and this one has a title, so we're going to go below the title right here, and we're just going to move these first 2 posts into a 2 column, and they're going to drop one right below the other. So let's go to 2 column here, and let's just take the first one. So we're going to first of all take the picture, just like we did on the image left and image right. Control X, get rid of the picture. We're going to paste it in here, Control V. And as a matter of fact, let's just go ahead and grab the other picture down here, Control X, and we're going to paste that up here, Control V. So this is Duck Lake here. We're going to take these words here, Control X, and we're going to paste them into the filler words. But what I want to do is put my cursor right here, hit Enter, oops, Control Z. We're going to do Shift Enter, single space, and then we're going to paste our words right in here, Control V. So there we is, Duck Lake, and now we need to get San Bernardino Peak. And so we're going to remove this, Control X, and again, let's get, I don't want the words offset to the right, so just put your cursor right next there. You're going to do Shift Enter for a single space, and then we're going to replace the words right here, Control V, and then we have all these dashes we got to get rid of, so we're going to highlight, move those to the left, we're going to hit backspace, delete, that looks good, and then here's the next dash, move it to the left, backspace, backspace, delete, 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 and we're down to the last post, Bridge to Nowhere. We're going to leave that one as is. We could hit backspace one more time, and if you want to leave the formatting, you could leave this gap here, or you could bring, nope, you can't bring it up, brought it up too far. So just hit the back arrow right here and just leave it right there, and that's perfect. And then we have the regular formatting there. So the reason that we do this on the previews, you'll see too, if we go to mobile view, you'll see that all of these drop one right below the other. And that same thing on image left and image right. If we were to look at the preview, it would do the same thing, would drop one below the other. So let's go ahead, let's click Update. So we've updated both our tips page and our posts. So let's tab over. Let's refresh the page. Tips, refresh. Okay, so we have image left, getting there. Image right with our training, and then our off-the-cuff hike to the bird eggs at Duck Lake right there. So that looks really cool right there with the image left, image right, image left. And so the tricky part is just keeping the formatting. And remember, when you're on mobile view, these are going to all drop one right below the other. Let's go to our blog. Let's go to our featured hikes and read more. Let's refresh this. And there it is. So we have our 2 column. We have our Duck Lake, Mammoth, California, San Bernardino Peak, and then we have our Bridge to Nowhere hike. So we did the 2 column here, and then we did the single one here. And again, these are going to drop right below, one below another on the mobile view. And it's really good if you're, if you're doing any kind of products and things like that, or if something like this, where you're trying to tell a story. It's really good to have the different columns. So let's tab back over, and we're on the website button right now. Let's get out of full screen. Just want to show you something real quick. So let's go to Dataczar.com. If you ever need to reach us, you go to Dataczar.com. There's the contact button right here, contact us, and just fill out the contact form. Send us a message. We'll get the message. We'll be happy to assist you. Let's go ahead and go back to Connect. Also, there's a support button right here. You can always do the support button at any time as well. But let's go back to Dashboard now. And that's it. That's how to dress up your pages and posts with Dataczar Connect.